Welcome to day 5. Today we're going to do something deceptively simple. We're going to watch our thoughts, not fight them, not follow them, not judge them. Just notice. Thoughts arise and pass like clouds in the sky. You don't have to chase after them. You don't have to get rid of them. You are not your thoughts. You are the sky, not the weather. Sit comfortably with your spine upright but relaxed. Let your hands rest on your lap or knees. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Just feel the inhale and the exhale. Let your body grow still. Let the breath be natural and settle in to this moment. Now begin to notice thoughts as they arise. You don't need to grab them. Just watch. Maybe you're thinking about something you forgot to do, or replaying a conversation, or worrying about the future. That's okay. Gently say in your mind, "That's a thought." Labeling thoughts as thinking helps you recognize them without becoming them. Imagine each thought as a cloud drifting across the open sky of awareness. If you find yourself caught in a story, just return to the breath and start again. Let thoughts come. Let them go. You are not pushing them away. You're not holding them tight. You're simply watching. Notice some thoughts are loud, some are quiet, some repeat, some fade. All are temporary, like wind, like weather. Let them pass. If you get lost, come back to the breath. The breath is your anchor. Thoughts are just visitors. Begin to deepen your breath. Feel your body again. The space you're in, the sounds around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders if you like. Maybe stretch and make a big yawn if that feels good. And when you're ready, open your eyes. As you move through your day, remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the space they move through. Watch, witness, and let go. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.